The mysterious vineyard that amazed tourists is a paradise hidden by the sea. A vineyard hidden by the sea is a mysterious paradise that has fascinated tourists. The sweet smell of grapes in the air, the sunset on the horizon, and the sound of waves. Anyone who has seen this place will never forget it. Are you ready to discover it too? This vineyard is famous not only for its scenery, but also for its legends. Some consider it a place where ancient wine secrets are hidden, while others consider it a place where spiritual peace can be found. You too will fall in love with this mysterious paradise by the sea. This vineyard by the sea is a miracle of beauty, peace, and magic. With every step, the magic of nature is felt and the soul is relieved. Anyone who has seen it once dreams of returning.